Today we're making 3 super nourishing, super food-packed detox juices to help you lose weight and get you that glow. Music. Hey beautiful people, it's Melissa from Choosing My Health, where I teach you how to easily transition to a whole food, plant-based lifestyle and thrive. And today we're making 3 of my favorite veggie juices. I love them because they're an easy way to reboot your metabolism, lose weight, and cleanse your body to literally make you glow. I've been juicing for a minute, and hands down, it is the easiest way to repair your body in a short span of time. But real talk, your juice gotta taste good, cause ain't nobody wanna be out here on these streets drinking juice that tastes like dirt. I'm just gonna keep it 100. Now, whether you're drinking these for a New Year's push or for 3-day juice cleanse, you'll find that they don't just taste good, they deliver a whole lot of life-giving nutrients to energize and revitalize your body. When I drink these, literally feel like I can fly, like that's how light I feel. And as always, if you're looking for the full recipe breakdown, I share those on my blog at choosingmyhealth.com, including modifications. I'm going to leave this link and others for you in the description box below. All right, let's get to it. Green power music. I call this juice green power. It is loaded with phytonutrients and cleansing power to rid your body of excess weight and make you glow. To begin, we're going to peel a washed lemon. I love lemons because they flush toxins from your system and purify the blood. Keep the lemon peel because it tastes great in tea and in hot porridge. Next, core your washed apples. Apples are great for weight loss because they're high in pectin. Pectin binds with water and limits how much fat your cells can absorb. Isn't that cool? They also taste great in this next cut all your ingredients into the appropriate size for your juicer. And now we're going to add all our ingredients to the juicer: kale, apple, celery, cucumber, lime, and ginger. Each of these ingredients is especially formulated to help nourish your body. The celery, cucumber, and apples are vitamin-rich and super hydrating. Our superfood kale is rich in minerals and antioxidants to feed your cells, and lime and ginger increase your blood circulation, all while staying low in calories. You got to love this juice. Music, bee buzzer. Now, the beet buzzer is my go-to juice to help me reset my body, especially when I'm feeling sluggish and need an energy boost. It's tangy, it's full-bodied, and it has a lot of kick. First, peel your washed grapefruit. Grapefruits have one of the highest water contents of any food, y'all, about 92% water, and they deliver a whole lot of nutrition with very little calories. We're also going to peel the lemon and cut the rest of our ingredients to an appropriate size for the juicer. Carrots, a juicing staple. Love that it's full of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and lutein, that are great for the eyes and beets. Beets are chocked full of nutrients and deliver maximum nutrition for your body. We're talking about potassium, magnesium, zinc, selenium. And beets also help you lower your blood pressure if you need help with that, and they give you extra stamina throughout the day. And did you know that beets even improve athletic performance, Professor? Yes, and a yes, I die, yes. If you'd allow me to just interject here for just a little bit, beet juice 1 to 3 hours before an athletic event can provide a 1 to 3% performance boost and give you a serious competitive edge. That's because beets raise nitric oxide levels, increase blood flow, improve lung function, and strengthen muscle contraction. Now, then lastly, we add jalapeno. Jalapenos aren't a typical juice addition for me, but listen, if you can handle a little heat, jalapeno can boost your metabolism, increase fat burn, and reduce your appetite. I will warn you though, it is not for you if you're sensitive to heat. And if you do like heat, very little goes a long way, my friend. So start with like 1/4 of an inch, no seeds please, then taste the juice and add more if you wish. Remember, when you use this, you're juicing it, so you're getting the full undiluted effect. Alternatively, if you still want some spice without too much kick, ginger can also achieve the same purpose. Music. Orange Blast. Our last juice is Orange Blast. I call this my sweet treat because it's really flavorful and refreshing and super high in vitamin C, which is going to help the body absorb minerals. It's going to protect the body from chemical toxins and has anti-aging properties. Who doesn't want that? To begin, let's peel a pineapple. Pineapple is perfect for detoxing because it contains bromelain, which is a digestive enzyme that will cleanse your colon, and it aids digestion, and it's super juicy. Next, we'll cut a red bell pepper in half. Y'all, did you know that a cup of red bell pepper contains nearly 3 times more vitamin C than an orange? Professor, oh yeah, I knew. And we're also going to add some ginger and turmeric. Ginger is awesome for circulation and digestion, and turmeric, as you probably already know, is incredible for inflammation. And to maximize the benefits of turmeric, you can sprinkle a little black pepper into your drink because it can enhance the curcumin absorption in turmeric by up to 2,000%. That's a whole lot. This juice is extraordinarily enjoyable and will boost your immune system, all while helping you flush and reset. I love these satisfying and nutritionally rich juices. They are perfect for a juice cleanse or for any day you need a boost. And now, if you're looking for more recipes, encouragement, plant-based education, I got you, honey. I have plenty of videos and resources on this channel and blog. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description box below. If you make any of these juices, please comment and let me know. I'd so appreciate that. And let me know if you have a favorite juice that you could share with us. Also, if you're interested in a plant-based lifestyle and you want to join the CMH crew, please subscribe to my channel to learn more. How to easily transition to a plant-based lifestyle and thrive. I would so love to have you here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for my latest videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram at choosingmyhealth. Now, if you're new to this whole food plant-based thing, welcome. Check out my free gift for you, packed with nearly 20 years of my life-tested strategies to boost your game for the win. Links are all in the description box below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. You could have been doing something else, but you chose to watch this video, and I'm thankful for that. I hope you have an amazing day. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Music for your bloopers. Oh, yes, I knew. Oh, pick me, pick me. Oh, I knew. Yes, yes, and a yesity, yes, yes. If you'd let me just to enter laughs, now you know. Laughs. Must look like I was about to choke. Logs. Music.